Hello and welcome to Social Media Ministries. My name is Spencer Kaufman. Today I've got some exciting news. You can now support Social Media Ministries directly on Facebook. So through our page, we are now approved for Facebook for charities and Facebook fundraising. So there'll be a donate link right on our page that you can click, and Facebook takes care of everything. They'll take the money in, they'll hold it, and then they'll release it to us after a time period passes. They'll take care of all the fees. So we will receive 100% of every single dollar that is donated to Social Media Ministries. So that is excellent. You can do that. You can give through Facebook right on the Social Media Ministries page. But the even more exciting, and the thing that I really hope you do, is you can now create a fundraiser for Social Media Ministries directly on Facebook. So you can navigate to our Facebook page, you can click on the fundraisers tab, you can hit create a fundraiser and type in whatever you need. You know, you're raising money for Social Media Ministries. You can set a goal. I want to raise $500. I want to raise $1,000. I want to raise 10,000. I want to raise 50. Whatever it is, set your goal. Type a little bit about it. Facebook will give you information that's pre-filled, so you can just use that. Or you can reach out to us and say, hey, do you have any specific needs? Maybe we say, yeah, we need $500 for whatever. Or we need $100 for this. And you say, all right, I want to raise money for that. You create your fundraiser. Then it essentially creates an event. So then you have an event that you've created on Facebook that now you can invite your friends to. And so you're inviting all of your friends. You can manually do it. So if there are some friends you don't want to invite, that's okay. You just click on invite. Hopefully you invite as many as possible. And then they're invited to participate in this fundraiser. And then what you should also be doing during that is sharing updates from our page or from the fundraiser to your profile. We can get on there and post within your fundraiser, like within the event itself, to get some activity going. As people donate, they can post in there too. So it's kind of like a little community, and it has a great opportunity to reach more people and to raise some money for Social Media Ministries. So please consider doing that. If you have a Facebook account, maybe you don't have a lot of money to give, but you know a lot of people who maybe are in a better position financially or who might be willing. And so we need you to help us reach those people by creating that fundraiser. And if you're watching this and you're saying, oh, all they care about is money, then you're missing the point. We're not going to go into it now, but if that's where your heart is, then you got to check where your heart is. That's not where we are. This is just a means of us raising money to reach more people with the Bible, with the gospel of Christ, and that's what we want to do, and we need money to do that. And so if you can help us with that by creating a fundraiser, we would greatly appreciate it. And if you need any help or you have any questions, please comment below. God bless.